world forgot this place existed. But beneath the grime and the dust, a Rolls-Royce is waiting to be found. Rust freckles have taken over the steel. But as long as that RR is on the grille, this isn't a wreck. It's a masterpiece waiting for its second chance. One gentle push of air is all it takes. The bumper finds the light, the headlights find their purpose. Beneath the filth and the neglect, the heart of an icon is waiting for a reason to beat again. First, we strip away the grime. High-pressure water reveals the satisfying waves of original steel. The foam slides down like melted snow, cleaning the sins of 30 years of abandonment. Inside, it is a time capsule of rot and memories. Mold has taken the leather, and dust has buried the fine wood. We vacuum the debris of decades, 1 inch at a time. The dissection begins with precision. We remove the armor, the hood, the grille, the lights, until only the raw skeleton remains. Every bolt is a fight. Every panel separation reveals a hidden truth. To save the heart, we have to perform an autopsy. Black oil and rusty water tell the story of a heart that stopped beating a lifetime ago. This isn't just a repair, it is a rescue mission. It's time to remove the soul. The hoist lifts the heavy block from its cradle. On the stand, the reality of the sludge and grime is finely exposed. Scored cylinder walls and worn journals tell us the work ahead is long. We measure our progress in microns. In the machine shop, we don't just fix parts, we restore their purpose. Now, we build. The honing tool smooths the way for new life. As the torque wrench clicks in the sequence, the rhythm of British engineering returns. The foundation must be flawless. We sandblast the springs and press in new life. Hand-packed grease in the hubs ensures the legendary quiet of a Rolls-Royce returns. The alchemy of restoration starts with the sparks. We cut out the decay and weld in a fresh start. We grind the metal and all the seams vanish, making the body whole again. It isn't just paint, it is armor. We sand away the history until we have a clean slate. In the booth, the colour blooms, and the clear coat forms a mirror to the world. The beauty is in the details. We polish the chrome until it reflects the sky. Varnish the wood until the grain speaks. The gauges are now bright, ready to count the miles of a new century. The moment of truth, the heart goes home. One crank, one catch, and the silence of 30 years is finally over. That is the sound of excellence returning to life. From a forgotten ghost in a dusty barn to a mirror-finish masterpiece on the pavement, this Rolls-Royce is ready for its next 100 years. Thanks for being part of the journey.